Harley Quinn, the jolly jester, lived in a vibrant town full of laughter and fun. One sunny morning, she found a sad penguin named Pippin, all alone and crying. "Oh dear," said Harley, "what's wrong, little Pippin?" Pippin sniffled, "I've lost my way home." Harley's eyes sparkled with an idea. "Don't worry, Pippin, we'll find your home together." With a hop, skip, and a jolly dance, they set off on their adventure. They asked the colorful birds, the friendly foxes, and even the wise old turtle. But no one had seen a penguin like Pippin before. Feeling a bit worried, Harley and Pippin sat down under a big, shady tree. "Don't lose hope, Pippin," said Harley, "we'll keep searching." And just then, they heard a faint pip-pip-pip sound. They followed the noise and found a group of penguins playing nearby. "Look! It's Pippin's family," cried Harley, and Pippin's eyes filled with joy. He ran to his family, giving Harley a big hug. "Thank you, Harley." Harley Quinn beamed. "You're welcome, Pippin. It was a pleasure helping you." From that day on, Harley was known as the kind-hearted jester in the vibrant town. As the sun set, Pippin and Harley danced together, their laughter filling the air. They promised to explore the town together, making more friends along the way. And so, the story of Harley Quinn's happy helpers began, spreading joy and friendship everywhere.